Hello guys, welcome to all of you. This is Brajendra Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel BS CAD-CAM. In this tutorial, we learn a mirror command in a sketch in SolidWorks. So now we create it is basically used for create a sketch mirror in mirror. So now we have this options just like this. One side, our sketch is one side, but we want to in opposite side and same symmetric conditions. So we make a first we make a baseline. If you have not a baseline, then you can create first you can create a baseline, then we can mirror by selecting this. Okay, select the mirror. Here we select the entity which we want to mirror. First we select this. Okay, now we make it copy or not. If you want to untick here, so then you make a copy or not. Okay, first we check the copy here, and here we select our baseline. Okay, now here and okay, you can check this. Here is our copies present and construction constraint is created by this. This is our symmetric constraint. Okay, now this sketch is symmetric in this. If we want to change this, and it is automatically changed. Control Z. Now we check the Control Z. Okay, now we mirror again, select the entity and baseline, select the baseline, and we untick this and okay. Our sketch is mirrored by the reference of our baseline. Okay, you can basically use to mirror our sketch. You can just another example, mirror, select this by this. Okay, we want to check this, we make a line, just a construction line. Okay, and this is our 50 and this is our 50. We make a hole on this, and this dia is 10. Okay, we want to make a 4, so first we mirror it in this side by the reference of this, and so we make mirror, select the line, and baseline is over this, and okay. Control Z, mirror, select this, we check this and base. Okay, and okay, just a minute, mirror by the reference baseline is this, and okay. Okay, this is symmetric, you can measure it. This is a 50. Okay, if you want to another, again make a construction line or a line, then mirror, select the entity and baseline, and okay. If you want to measure, this is sketch is fully defined, then you can measure it. This is 100. Okay, yeah, this is over defined, then measure. This is 50 by the reference of this value. Okay, now this over mirror command is completely. So okay, thank you guys.